first off, let me state that you can only select one of these items here. You can only select a zip code, an address, a street, a city, county, or state. Now within this, you can select multiple items, of course. So for instance, in zip code, you could put in multiple zip codes separated by the comma or space or, whatever your heart desires there, and be able to add those to your zip code here. So that's definitely a possibility. Just note that once you add in one geography, let's say you go in here and you want to select county, for instance. Let's go into Arizona and let's select Greenlee and La Paz. Once you add it, the zip codes are going to disappear. So what's going to reappear here is the actual county information. And of course, a quick way to delete these is to go ahead and click the little trash can here, and that'll delete it from the geography and reset your count accordingly. So you always have to have a geography selected in order to move on to the other filters. You'll notice when I first started out here, those were all grayed out, and so you have to select a geography in order to move on. Once it's actually deselected, we'll probably regrade these out in future updates. Well, let's now just go ahead and add in these two zip codes, and you'll see that your count here is updated along with the total cost. Now your rates are always present here in terms of your list rate and your skip trace rate. And of course, the geography that you selected is always in the geography box here. Thanks a lot and have a great day.